exoskeleton robot is a new kind of rehabilitation assistive technology. Uses technologies such as mechanical, electronic control, and ergonomics. Help users relearn walking and stimulate neural reconstruction function. The exoskeleton robot is mainly composed of motor, sensor, controller, and power supply. Compared with traditional rehabilitation, exoskeleton robot has more functions. There are two modes, active and passive. The exoskeleton robot provides rehabilitation for people with stroke, brain injury, spinal cord injury, amyotrophic sclerosis, and other diseases. Exoskeleton robots are based on the principle of neuroplasticity. Use pressure sensors, circular motor controllers, robot motors, and high torque reducers. Now, exoskeleton robot is a kind of rehabilitation assistive technology.